is no one who never dreamt about America. The most famous country in the world, America, is the most popular tourist destination among the people all over the world. America is a patchwork quilt of many different landscapes, cultures, and incomparable sights. Plenty of options are awaiting you with incredible sights sprinkled across the country. Being one of the largest and diverse countries, America boasts amazing tourist destinations ranging from beautiful landscapes and mountains to the wonderful skyscrapers. The country has many things to offer for all ages. Are you confused to find the most special and popular destinations? From national parks to iconic symbols of freedom and democracy, these popular and highly regarded attractions cannot be missed. Watch the full video to discover the greatest attractions of America. If you are a fan of our videos, don't forget to subscribe. Let's go! Number 1. The Statue of Liberty. The statue that stands for freedom to all people around the world. The Statue of Liberty is one of the most iconic landmarks of America. This 151 feet tall copper monument is situated on Liberty Island in New York Harbor. This massive statue was a gift of friendship to America by French people in 1886. The statue represents a Roman goddess. Now, it is also a way to welcome immigrants from abroad. This historical landmark is an icon of New York City as well, and people can admire it from any part of the city. This is a must-visit place in America. There are ground tickets, pedestal tickets, and crown tickets with different levels of access to the site, and you can choose anyone according to your budget. Number 2. Yosemite National Park. A must-visit place in America as well as in California. If you are a nature lover, you will definitely fall in love with this place. Spread over 748,000 acres of land, featuring spectacular granite cliffs, magnificent waterfalls, majestic valleys and meadows, glaciers, hundreds of years old sequoia trees, and a diverse of flora and fauna. This national park is awe-inspiring and a perfect spot for hiking, climbing, walking, and horseback rides. With the beautiful Yosemite Falls and the granite monoliths called Half Dome, Yosemite Valley is a top spot to explore in the national park, and visitors can stay within Yosemite Valley for great hiking trails. Number 3. The Times Square. Known as the center of the universe, this world-famous Times Square lies at the heart of the Midtown Manhattan area of New York City. This heart of New York is famous for its flashing billboards, New Year's Eve countdown, and constant throngs of people. This major tourist destination in America hosts 50 million tourists every year. It is an interesting place to visit both day and night. This entertainment center has a lot to offer for its visitors. There are many retail shops, restaurants, museums, and also so much entertainment venues that once you visit here, it won't fade out of your heart even after a long time. Number 4. Walt Disney World. One of the happiest places in the world, the Disney World is in Orlando, Florida. The Disney World contains 2 water parks, resorts, hotels, golf courses, camping grounds, and 4 theme parks such as the Magic Kingdom, Epcot, Animal Kingdom, and Hollywood Studios. and an outdoor shopping center called Disney Springs. About 52 million people visit this magical land in a year. The most popular attraction is a fairy tale theme park, the Magic Kingdom. Here you may meet Mickey Mouse or a renowned princess. It's a family-friendly tourist destination with plenty of entertainment, including rides, live shows, tours, and special events. Number 5. Las Vegas Strip. Want to see the New York skyline, the Eiffel Tower, and the canals of Venice together? Then plan a trip to the Las Vegas Strip in Nevada, officially known as Las Vegas Boulevard. It is a recognizable place in America, and it is really like an amusement park for adults. People come here to relax, party, shop, gamble, and golf. Being home to many famous hotels, restaurants, resorts, and casinos, walking along the street, you will be mesmerized by the sights and experiences which await you. Famous singers, magicians, and dancers perform very regularly here. This famous sparkling site is a top destination for all kinds of entertainment, a bit of debauchery as well. Number 6. The Golden Gate Bridge. Golden Gate Bridge is San Francisco's icon, which arcs across San Francisco Bay connecting San Francisco and Marine Country. It has been an internationally recognized symbol of San Francisco since 1937. Its red-orange color makes the bridge a more iconic one and makes it visible even in the foggy conditions. The best time to visit this beautiful orange bridge is September to October, when the weather is comfortably warm. It is one among the most photographed bridges in the USA and one of the most popular sites that you won't want to miss. Number 7. The Grand Canyon. Located in northern Arizona, Grand Canyon attracts many people all over the world, and it is one among the best attractions in the USA. This massive natural wonder, which was carved by the Colorado River, Grand Canyon has a depth of over 1.6 kilometers and 446 kilometers long. By its awe-inspiring, colorful landscape and its size, there is no wonder that the Grand Canyon is one among the 7 natural wonders in the world. The most visited section in the Grand Canyon is South Rim, which is just about 4.5 hours by car from Las Vegas. Thus, it is the best site to visit from Las Vegas as well. Visitors can see down to the canyon floor by standing on the rim of the canyon. Grand Canyon also offers activities such as hiking, river rafting trips, air tours, etc. Number 8. The Niagara Falls. This majestic waterfall is situated on the border of New York and Canada, which is one of the most visited places in the world. Niagara Waterfalls is a set of 3 falls named Horseshoe Falls, American Falls, and the Bridal Veil Falls. And these 3 falls unite to make Niagara as the waterfall with the highest flow rate of any waterfall in the world. It is a memorable and unique tourist destination of America and also Canada's iconic landmark. The views from both sides are really beautiful and charming. The Mist Boat Cruise, which takes passengers into the basin of the powerful Horseshoe Falls, is the best activity for the visitors. Do not forget to include this charming beauty in your bucket list. Number 9. The White House. The White House is the official residence of the US President, which was built between 1792 and 1800. Situated at 1600 Pennsylvania Avenue, it is one of the oldest public buildings in the US. and it is historically rich. If you like to visit here, you must be requested up to 6 months in advance through your member of Congress or your country's US ambassador. Here is a White House Visitor Center which provides information about the building and what is inside. Visitors can explore the Jacqueline Kennedy Garden, the Rose Garden, Children's Garden, and South Lawn and take exciting photographs. Number 10. Waikiki. Waikiki is a popular beach destination in America, located on the Hawaiian island of Oahu. It attracts people of all ages with its golden sand beach stretches along the ocean front, backed by hotels which are steps away from the beach. The Honolulu Zoo and Waikiki's aquarium are one of the key attractions of this amazing land. There are many options for entertainment, such as surfing, shopping, dining, and sunbathing. Being close to Pearl Harbor Monument and Nuuanu Pali Lookout, Waikiki is easily one of the best vacation spots in the US over a century. Once the stomping grounds of Hawaiian royalty, now it is an amazing tourist spot in America that invites millions of people over every year. There is no one who never dreamt about America. This well-developed and well-settled, modern, amazing country is at the top of everybody's bucket list. While planning a trip to the USA, include these top attractions in your list, and I'm sure you will never get disappointed.